What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, and today's video is about my entire portfolio update for the month of May. If you've been with me, guys, you already know as transparent as they come. I show you a deep dive under the hood each and every month to keep you abreast of what's still on the train and what has got kicked off the train, okay? And listen, that's what today's video is all about, so make sure that you follow it closely. But listen, if I helped you in any way, whether I was help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on a journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, guys, to kick off the month of May, you already know we're going to do a portfolio update. Again, guys, it's something refreshing, something so authentic, and something so genuine, man, when you are an upfront 100 person, guys. And so, again, I lose no sleep at night because I love showing you guys what's what and taking you under the hood. And let me know if you guys appreciate that, okay? Because listen, I can be the first to tell you this level of transparency in any lane in the stock market did not exist before I stepped on the scene. And so, guys, each and every month, I'm going to do this for you, updating you on what your boy is currently holding so that you guys can emulate what you see, assess what you got versus what I'm holding, and just see what's been along for the ride as well as what's currently kicked off of the train. But listen, guys, if you don't see something, remember this: I make a weekly recap video every week. Again, like I say, nobody does it like this, man. Every single week. Now, I don't know if you guys watch the videos. They come out every Friday, and I go through the stocks that I sold. So if you don't see a play, again, go back through the countless weekly recap videos to see when the stock was sold, why I sold it, and all that kind of stuff, okay? But other than that, join us on this ride. Look at what I'm currently holding and look at what's going to, again, make it for the month of May, at least start the month off with as we get ready to dominate. Kicking things off with one of 4 dividend plays, and shout out to everybody that's on my high dividend growth challenge. We have one more month in that, again, ending at the end of June. This was a 6-month challenge. This 100K challenge is a 12-month challenge, and we're currently sitting in Maine, ticker symbol MAIN. Next, guys, I have one of my favorite dividend stocks, which is AT&T, which is currently sitting at $31.35. You take it from there, guys. I'm currently sitting in BGS. That's part of the dividend challenge, okay? And then the last of the 4 dividend growth stocks is Capital Southwest, ticker symbol CSWC, okay? That right there, guys, makes up the dividend portion of my portfolio. Remember, when you are assessing your portfolio, decide for yourself if you need dividends or if you don't need dividends, okay? Remember, this month is all about us scaling down. You only need 10 total plays. As a teacher, I have more than that because I have a different responsibility. I have to cater to millions of people which have millions of different trading styles, okay? Next, we got Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Next after that, we got Microsoft, okay? Ticker symbol MSFT. Next, guys, we have Facebook. You guys see these big, large cap stocks sitting here? This is how you hold your portfolio up. This is how you weather when the Wall Street want to play games, okay? You got to have your plays in stuff like this, okay? Large cap, okay? They might not move when they're getting tampered with, but then they won't fall 40% like some of the other high risk plays you're about to see. After that, you know I got my baby in here. Guys, I don't use a bank. If you ever want to know where the money goes, it's sitting right here in Nike in one of my mini Nike plays across all my portfolios. Next, we have Revolve Group, ticker symbol RVLV. Next, we have Disney. Again, this is a recovery stock, okay? Now watch how the portfolio transition. This is my favorite recovery stock, and this is a $300 play once Wall Street gets it right, okay? Next, we have NEO, ticker symbol NIO. Again, keep your eye out for this one. This is a $65 play. Those of you that's in this and may be down right now, don't get weary, okay? Next, we have Tesla, okay? This is a growth stock. This is the first class, best in class in the whole EV space, okay? Next, you got DraftKings, all right? Now, this is a play that's just near and dear to me. I'm a sports guy at my core. Of course, it makes sense that I'm gonna have something to do with that, okay? Next is ChargePoint. another play on EV, okay? Next is Apex Technology, currently sitting at $10.70. This one, again, guys, it's been in the $10 to $14 range. Wait for the holding pattern to end for this to wake up. Next is Golden Nugget Online Gaming, okay? This is a $30 play at a minimum, and I expect this to do big things at the end of May. Next, we have Dropbox, okay? Ticker symbol DBX. Next, we have American Airlines. Again, I see this doing this thing and waking up a little bit in the summertime. I'm talking about July, August-ish time frame. Next, we have Walgreens. This is a recovery stock. I told you, if you ever want to know how we play healthcare over here, it is through things like Walgreens. I'm never going to buy Pfizer and or Moderna. However, I will play healthcare through something like Walgreens, if not an AbbVie, which is a play that I used to have. Next, we have Fuel Cell, ticker symbol FCEL, currently sitting at $9.80. And guys, go back and watch all my other videos if you haven't seen how many shares I'm holding in all of these plays. I show that every single day, so please go look. Please go back and watch all other previous videos, even yesterday, okay? You'll see anything I'm holding. Next, we got Palantir, PLTR, okay? Sitting at $22.97. Make sure you beat the teacher. If you can get this in the 22s, do so. If you get it in the 21s, that's even better. Next, we got IDX, currently sitting at $298. Next, we have BNGO, currently sitting at $650. Next, we got Future FinTech, sitting at $385. Guys, this was a play that got hit with a double whammy. They did a share offering. That naturally makes the stock go down without a correction. Then it got hit for being a high multiple stock, which was hit by all corrections. And so, listen, look for this to come back within 30 days, and then it should come back again after that within 60 to 90 days, just because it has to recover from getting hit with two blows, okay? Next, what we got, CrowdStrike. This play was dominating on our behalf from the moment I put you guys in this at around 180, 170, and it's cooled off a little bit, but it has done tremendous. Next, we got Coinbase, okay? I told you, if I catch this in the 280s, I'm going crazy, okay? This is how you play crypto. Now, I am a big crypto, Bitcoin, and Ethereum investor, okay? However, on the institutional side, on the safer side, you also have stuff like Coinbase for those of you guys that don't want to buy Bitcoin outright, or those of you that don't want to buy Ethereum outright. You can get access to all of that by investing in Coinbase, okay? Then we have Tattoo Chef, sitting at $17.79. They're starting to advertise a little bit. Start looking out for the commercials. Start looking out for their products in a local store near you. Then next we have Genius Brand, okay, sitting at $1.80. So listen, guys, that's what I'm currently holding in my portfolio currently, okay? Please go through, okay, your own portfolio and look at what you're currently holding to kick off the month of May. Everything from April, everything from March, everything from February and January might not still be on the train at this point in time. It don't mean you can't go back and get it, but again, you guys should have seen enough to know what do you want to rock with for the month of May, as well as what kind of moves you want to make, what positions you need to still be building out, okay? Listen, guys, this is a marathon. If you are in it for get rich quick, I am not the guy for you, but there's plenty of channels that's about that, okay? I'm going to teach you guys the game the right way. I'm going to help everybody build wealth, okay, through the stock market as well as through options. So buckle up. Let's get ready to have some fun. Listen, guys, up next, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is fresh start. Listen, guys, one thing I love about the beginning of a new month is it's an opportunity for a fresh start, okay? And I don't care what a fresh start means for you. You could have already been doing good, and we're just going to continue to do good. You could have had a tumultuous month, and we about to put that behind us and start to doing good, okay? A fresh start is a fresh start, and sometimes, man, it just allows you to breathe easy and have a little bit of clarity moving forward. So embrace the fresh start, okay? Like I just showed you my entire portfolio, review yours. Review what you're currently holding on this 100K challenge. And remember what I said, guys, you do not need 25 or 30 plays. Don't get mine twisted. I'm the teacher, so I got 4 plays off top that I wouldn't have if I wasn't teaching dividends. Okay, so you can already knock 4 down. Okay, then I have plays and I'm just waiting to double. As soon as they do, they're out of here. Stuff like Macy's is no longer here. As soon as we hit the home run in that, we got out of it. As soon as we hit the home run and other plays, they are ghost. Okay, and as soon as some of these plays, future fintech, as soon as that hit the home run, we're out of here. As soon as GNUS hit the home run, it's out of here. So some of these will be reduced down as much as possible because they're just a means to an end. Okay, don't get the game twisted, guys. All right, make sure that you have a lean and efficient portfolio. Up next is our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Valentino Trejo. Hey Chris, I had a question. I hope you can answer. When do we know when to utilize the stop loss or the average down? Example, if I buy BNGO at 680 and it comes down 10% to 620, would I let the stop loss trigger or consider this a buying opportunity on the dip? Thanks for your input, Chris, and I appreciate and support everything you do. Valentino Trejo, man, phenomenal question, guys. Listen, first and foremost, remember, these are principles, guys. So my message is always consistent. If you don't hear the same thing every time I make a video on this stuff, then you guys got to go back and rewatch the video because it's principles I go by. That's why it's so much consistency in our success around here. If you have a volatile play like BNGO, which is a high risk play, that's a high multiple play, okay? You are to place your trailing stop loss on those plays right away, 5 to 10%, because of its nature, meaning it can go down 30%. Now you guys all know that, okay? You don't have to do that same thing for a play like Apple though, or Tesla, because we want to buy the dip at a massive rate for those, okay? With a play like a BNGO, a future fintech, a fuel cell, when they get to dipping, they want to dip for real. They want to really plunge, okay? So you need to know that. I'm trying to teach you its nature so that you know, don't play with those. You don't pet a lion because you'll get your hand bit off, okay? These are like that. You don't want to mess around and keep buying a dip because that becomes a falling knife, okay? And then you are buying a dip so much, then you run out of money. Now you're frustrated. All your money is tied up in a play that's down. That's all bad investing right there, okay? But that's okay because that's part of the learning experience. What you want to do, if the play go down 10%, have your trailing stop loss on so it kicks you out and all you're down is 10%. But now you can sit back and assess. You can sit back and see for yourself, how much further will this play go down, okay? And you guys got to be content with, if it go back up and you were out of it, okay, you just missed the train that time. But remember, I told you in the stock market, everything always come back down. That might have been a dead cat bounce. It will come right back down, and then you might get it at 589 versus 610. And that's an even better entry point. Now, be content with that position size, and you ride that up for the double up, because that play will double at around $11, $12, or $13, and boom. Now you can wash your hands, move on to the next thing, or rinse and repeat, guys. This is how you play volatile stocks, okay? You guys have to make sure you're protecting yourself. All I'm gonna do is give you the game, put you in a plays that has potential. But just remember, if they got potential to the upside, they also have potential to the downside. So you have to weigh it all out, okay? You gotta weigh it all out. Man, I hope that was helpful. If you guys have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll see you all in the next one.